treating and intensive processing. From materials to products, from rough machining to intensive processing, every aspect links closely and is controlled strictly, ensuring perfect quality and full quantity of aluminum products quota to meet all customers' needs as to the supply chain. We introduced a planned management and purchaser agency, sharing a cloud warehouse, to meet customers' varied, specialized, and high-standard needs. In addition, we organize a fleet of nationwide delivery vehicles to provide a direct-to-home logistics service, meeting customers' needs speedily. Extraordinary quality and abundant supply are the basis for Hengzhe to win customers' trust. Through integration, purchasing, and joint administration, Hengzhe built a production line of advanced aluminum materials covering alloy aluminum rod, aluminum flat ingot, aluminum plate strip and foil, aluminum tube, and so on, exceeding national standard. Strictly controlling the quality to form a management system of self-checking, independent testing, rechecking, and full inspecting. With perfect quality, we fulfill promises to our customers in order to meet rapidly changing needs. Hengzhe Group also cooperates with Central South University, Xiangtan University, and other scientific research institutions, exploring cutting-edge technologies to produce and apply aluminum products, obtaining 36 national patents, and becomes a backbone power in aluminum industry. From leading innovation to serving society, from controlling quality to maintaining standards, Hengzhe Group is determined to be a national enterprise of responsible. To answer the country's call of building a green home, we actively promote energy conservation and environmental protection of aluminum products, develop a harmonious relationship between enterprise and nature, and bring about stable employment opportunities through this sustainable development. We do pay attention to people's livelihood and constantly serve our society.
恒嘉铝业将始终坚持做一个对客户、对政府、对社会、对员工负责任的企业集团，牢记10年兴起、10年兴邦的时代呼唤，以坚定不移的责任感、使命感，深耕铝业核心材料，用创新科技和经典品质服务客户和社会。 为客户和社会提供坚定的材料支持，与时代发展同呼吸、共命运。
The fourth scientific and technological revolution already began. Rapidly changing technology and developing living style are sure to promote aluminum producing technology further. In the future, Hengzhe Group will always take customers' needs as its own task, vigorously exploring all the possibilities of aluminum products, making further efforts to improve product system, promoting the application of new technologies, producing more sophisticated aluminum products to help customers upgrading their own to gratify people's yearn for a better life. Hengzhe Group, technology for new material, innovation for new value.